By the end of the lesson, you should be able to solve simultaneous linear equations. What is simultaneous linear equations? Simultaneous linear equations are two or more equations that contain two or more unknown and must be solved at the same time. You solve it at the same time. The meaning of simultaneous means you solve it at the same time. And when we talk about linear equation is the equation in which the highest power of the unknown is 1. There are three methods of solving simultaneous linear equation, which are elimination method, substitution method, and graphical method. But we are going to limit this class to elimination method and substitution method. What is elimination method? Elimination method is method of solving simultaneous linear equation by eliminating one of the unknown, either by addition or by subtraction. While substitution method is making one of the unknown subject of the formula. Now we are going into example. Example 1, using the elimination method. Don't forget, elimination method is to get rid of one of the variable and substitute it into the equation to get the second variable. Let's look at example 1. We are given x plus y is equals to 5 and 2x plus y is equals to 8. Let's call the first one equation 1. Then let's call the second one equation 2. Don't forget that elimination method is talking about adding or subtracting, that is addition or subtraction. Then when are you going to add and when are you going to subtract? You add the two equations together when the two signs in the middle are not the same. When the signs that is the two signs in the middle, when they are not the same, you add the two equations together. But when the two signs in the middle are the same, that is when you have plus plus and minus minus, you are going to subtract the two equations. When the signs are the same, you are going to subtract. When the signs are not the same, you are going to add. Like this one now, the signs are the same, which means that you are going to subtract the equations. Because of that, now you will now say equation 1 minus equation 2. And that will now give us s in equation 1 minus 2s in equation 2 will give us minus s. Then y minus y will give you 0. Then you go to the other side. 5 minus 8 will give you minus 3. From there now, when you divide both sides by negative, the value of s will be equals to 3. Then you substitute for the value of s in any of the two equations. Let us use equation 1. Then you now say put s is equals to 3 into equation 1. In equation 1, we have s plus y is equals to 5. From there now, s will be 3, and that will be 3 plus y. 3 plus y is equals to 5. From there, you collect like times. Then y is equals to 5 minus 3, and 5 minus 3 will give us 2. Therefore, the value of x and y, the value of x and y now will be x is 3, then y is 2. This is how to solve simultaneous linear equation using elimination method. Let us consider another example. X plus y is equals to 9, then x minus y is equals to 3. Let's call the first one equation 1. Now the second one equation 2. And don't forget that to for you to add the two equations together, they must have different signs in the middle. And for you to subtract the two equations, they must have the same sign in the middle. Now equation 1 and 2, they are having different signs. The first one is plus, the second one is minus. Because of that, you are going to add the two equations together. You now say add equation 1 and 2 together. Add equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 will have s, equation 2 will have s plus s will give us 2s, then plus y plus minus y will give us 0. Then other side 9 plus 3 will give us 12. Then you divide both sides by 2, that is the coefficient of s. You divide both sides by 2, then s will be equals to 12 divided by 2, and 12 divided by 2 will give us 6. The value of s is 6. Then you plug back the value of s into any of the two equations. You substitute for the value of s. Let's use equation 1. You say put s is equal to 6 into equation 1. And in equation 1, we have x plus y, and that will be 6 plus y is equal to 9. And from there, you collect like times. You carry 6 to the other side, and that y will be equals to y is equals to 9 minus 6. And 9 minus 6 will give us 3. Therefore, the value of x and y will be x is 6 when y is 3. This is what we call simultaneous equation using